Hey guys, Stan Dale, President, Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing good. Hey, pretty busy. We're going into the middle part of June here, still busy, and there's a lot of discussion for our third and fourth quarter planning stages right now. I'm really looking forward to it. Some really nice excursions, some track stuff, and so just stay tuned. We'll have some of that down below, but really looking forward to what's coming around for the second half of this year as well. It's going to be quite busy. We got Homestead, we got Barber Motorsports, we got Sebring. I mean, we've got some track stuff really hitting us. So people reaching out to us to participate. So stay tuned, a lot of fun. Let me go quickly. On the 7th, coming up on Saturday, Sarasota Cars and Coffee. I'll be up there. Come on out and enjoy that. The 8th, Naples Cars and Coffee down in Naples. We're back at the dealership down on Sunday morning, so come on down. I'll be there as well. On the 10th, we have Beamers and Dinner. That's up in Panama City with Chris's group and Chris and Margaret. On the 14th is Jacksonville, Caffeine and Gasoline. That's Kevel, Gary, Al, all the guys up there, all the folks up there. Come on out and do that. Take a look at the things that are happening over in the Gainesville and Ocala area with Mary Beth and Bill. A lot of things happening in those markets. Check your calendars. On the 14th, we have, on the 19th is the Florida Suncoast and the ZSCCA Sarasota lunch. So come on out for that one. The 21st is the Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. Couple of really cool things. Let me pass this along to you. If you like this video and you want to get it a little quicker than Friday morning, all you have to do is like and subscribe, and you become a subscriber to our YouTube video. You'll get it a little bit quicker as soon as we launch it. You'll get notification, and you'll see this a little bit earlier in the week. If you're like one of those planning freaks like I am, you'll get to know a little bit of this information a little bit quicker. So take a look at our YouTube video, like, subscribe. I sound like one of the YouTubers, right? No. But a little bit more information. Our Facebook group. We just topped 300 members on our Facebook launch. Remember, this is a private Facebook launch. You got to be a member of Florida Suncoast or a CCA chapter member specifically to get in. And we don't launch any commercials on this one. So it's all about us and our communication with our membership. And last but not least, just talked to Carol. This e-blast that you're watching right now goes out to over 3,600 folks every Friday morning. So anything we can do, if you got some ideas about events or whatever the case may be, let us know. We'll get them launched. There's a lot going on: picnics, cars, shows, travel, excursions, all that kind of stuff, track stuff. Stay tuned. There's some really cool stuff coming. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya. Bye.